I am prepping an order to send it out. Marta graciously ordered a miniature dollhouse kit from my TikTok shop, and I feel blessed that she chose my shop to purchase her miniature dollhouse kit from. I have written a thank you note. There is a couple of stickers and a packet of lemonade that I'm going to put in that card. I like adding the personal touches. You don't get that from a big box store. It's a nice day to be working from home, sitting by an open window and listening to the birds sing. I am packing up an order from my TikTok shop. Marta ordered Girlish Dreams. It's a miniature dollhouse kit. And I'm going to make sure that everything is good to go. This is not a toy. This is a collectible for adults or older kids because it is a miniature kit that you put together. It comes with everything that you see in here, the decor, the walls, the fabric that you put on the furniture. I'm not going to open this because I'll never get it back in the way it goes. But here's, the lace for the curtains, and there's, what is that? This is probably plants. Yep, greenery for the plants, and battery pack for the lights are in here. You can see the pink fabric for the bedspread and the curtains and any other fabric that you might need in there. And it also has, let's see, these are the wooden windows and the stairs. Trying to get it so you can see without the glare. The stairs, and there's other furniture here in wood that you kind of press out and you have to glue together. The toolkit includes scissors and an X-Acto knife and a little screwdriver, tweezers, and a ruler. Did I already say ruler? I don't remember already. And the instruction booklet. Right, it comes in English, thankfully. So I'm just going to show you a quick glance. If you're interested in starting a new hobby, this would be a fabulous new hobby. See, there's how you put the couch together. You can do this with friends. You can do it as alone time. It's just a great hobby. People really enjoy it. And I always make sure that there are dust covers in the kits that I purchase, because you can purchase them without dust covers. So this is the dust cover here. All right, important note. You can download the PDF of instructions and video of the assembly progress by this link. Oh, that's nice. That's very helpful. Really nice. Everything is in here, and yeah, I waited till the last minute to check this. And there's more diagrams and stuff in here, and more pieces for the kit to be put together. The frame of the house. So I'm going to pack this all back up in here. Now, the reason I go through and check to make sure everything's in here, they're not supposed to ship batteries or glue. Even though craft glue is non-toxic, they have to mark the shipments that batteries and glue are, a hazard. So I go and I buy this little Aleene's tack it over and over, and I'm going to include that so that they have the glue. Stickers in here, and everything is all set and good to go, and I'm just going to pack everything back into the box and tuck in the thank you note, and then I'm going to wrap up the box and ship it out to Marta tomorrow. Thanks for joining me.